Hi guys, welcome back. Happy Friday. Alright, yesterday we talked all about a small moment and what it means to have a small moment. Remember, it's not a big trip to the beach, it's just maybe one thing that you did while you're at the beach. Remember, it's our seed story, not our watermelon. Okay, so today I have a picture because I'm going to talk about the birthday party that I went to at the park. Okay, so I already have my picture drawn, but I need some help making my labels. And remember, the point of labeling is that it helps us to remember what our story is about. So we're going to label the important parts of our story. Okay? So I want to talk about going on the swings. I'm talking about the presents. And I want to talk about going down the slide. Okay? So I need to make sure that I label those things. So if I label the swings, say swings. Good. Swings. What sound do you hear at the beginning? It's two letters that make that sound. It's the sw sound. And the two letters that make the sound is what? Very good. This S-W. Swing. Ing. We've talked about that ending before. That's right, it's ing. And if I want to say swings, what sound do you hear at the end? Very good, you hear the S. So I have the swings labeled. What was the other one? Do you remember? Yes, I want to talk about the actual party. So maybe I want to talk about the gifts. Can you say gifts? Good. Gift. G, g. That's right, you hear the G. You hear the G sound. G, I, I. That's right, that's the I. Gif, f. Good. T, gift. S, gifts. Okay, so I have the gifts. What about the slide? What sound do you hear at the beginning of slide? It's two letters. So let's try to sound out the word slide. What two letters make the sl sound? Good. S-L. Sl. I. Good. It says its name. Slide. Good. Slide. So we have the swings, the slides, and the gifts. I could label the tree and the sun to make sure that we know that we're outside. So I know how to spell sun. S-N. I can hear all the sounds. And tree. Tur. What two letters make the tur sound? Very good. T-R. Tree. Good. I hear the E. So now I am all ready to start my writing. I have the important parts of my picture labeled to help me remember. Okay? So I'm all good to start writing.